Hey hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about UTF, also known as Universal Second Factor Authentication. It is a security standard for two-factor authentication that uses a physical hardware token to verify your identity. It is designed to provide a higher level of security for online accounts just beyond a password. There are many of the UTF keys available in Amazon itself. The famous one is Ubico. These keys are so versatile that it comes with a USB Type-C and NFC support also. It is also known for its robust security feature. Luckily, this feature is available in the Flipperzero. I'll just connect my Flipperzero to my PC and show you how the option looks like. And yes, this is the UTF application. Now let's configure it. Firstly, I'll go to Manage my account and then I'll click on Security tab. Under Security tab, you can see you have an option called Two-Step Verification. I'll go to it. And here you can see the first option, Add a security key. We are going to use this option. After selecting it, it will ask you to create a passkey. I'll click on Create a Passkey and I'll click Use another device. Here we have two options and we are going to select Security key. After that, we'll click on Next and here we'll click on OK and we will confirm the same. You will get a prompt asking you to insert the security key. In our case, it's the Flipperzero. I'll just connect my USB to my laptop. And after that, you'll have to click on OK so that it gets configured. I've clicked on OK. And after a while, you can see the passkey has been saved and our Flipperzero is acting as a UTF. Now that we have configured our Flipperzero as a UTF, here I'll click on OK and then yes, it's done. It is linked to our account. One thing to note here is each time you authenticate, you will need the Flipperzero with you. Now in the bottom, under two-step verification security keys, you can see we have just added a Flipperzero as a security key. Now to test it, I will sign out of my current account and then I will try to log in again. Here you can see it is asking me to confirm using my passkey. I will click on Continue and here you will be given a prompt where you will have to select the second option, Security key. After selecting it, I'll click on Next and I will insert my Flipperzero. After clicking OK, you can see I'm authenticated and I just have to enter my password to log in. And now we can access our Google account securely. This process enhances security by making it harder for the attackers to gain access even if they have your password. That's all from my side. If you really like this video, do hit like, subscribe to my channel for further updates.